Hello friends, welcome to GATE Tutor YouTube channel, and we are discussing GATE 2020 question paper of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and here is the third video I am uploading of that series, and here is the question. The question is the current in the RL circuit shown below is I of t is equal to 10 cos phi t minus pi by 4 ampere. The value of the inductor rounded off to 2 decimal places is blank Henry. So here is the circuit given, and we just select the pen here, and the color I prefer orange color. Let me write the equations here. I of t is equal to 10 cos in the bracket 5t minus pi by 4 ampere, 5t minus pi by 4 ampere. And what is the v of t? Here is the v of t. It is 200 cos 5t volt. So here we want to calculate inductor. For this we have to find the impedance of the circuit. So if we want to find the z is we can say z of t is equal to v of t divided by I of t. Let's convert this into a polar form. We can write this as 200 with the angle 0 degree, and this 10 with the angle minus pi by 4, which is 10 with the angle of pi is 180 divided by 4 is 45, so minus 45 degree. So let me put that values here, and there are 200 with the angle 0 divided by 10 with the angle minus 45, that is nothing but 20 with the angle of 45. If I convert this polar form into rectangular form, then the value of z is nothing but 20 cos 45 plus j 20 sin 45. So we know the value of cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, so it's 20 into 1 upon root 2 plus j, you can place I also here, I or j, 21 upon root 2. So the values are 20 means 10 into 2, and 2 is root 2 into root 2, so root 2 cancel. So I am placing here 10 root 2 plus j 10 root 2. So here you can tell that this is the resistive part, this is the inductive part. Okay, so let me write here. So this is nothing but real part and imaginary part. So imaginary is inductor here. So we have XL is equal to 10 under root 2. XL is nothing but 1 upon XL is nothing but omega L. So omega here is 5. You can see here it is given 5t, which is nothing but omega t. Omega is 5. Okay, so we can calculate L by 10 under root 2 divided by omega is 5, that is 2 into under root 2. So we have to calculate this value and put the value up to 2 decimal points, okay, in this question. So the correct answer is that is 2 2 under root 2 to the power 0.5 into 2, that is 2.8284. This is the answer, but you have to place rounded off to 2 decimal places, so you cannot place 2.828. There is a possibility of that your answer would be considered as incorrect. So if you put 2.828, there is you should not place that. They have said rounded off to 2 decimal places, so you can place answer like rounded off to 2 decimal points. Okay, so the answer is 2.828, right? So you can place 2.83 as the answer, because you have to round off this value. So the 2.83 is correct answer.